Hi and welcome back. I am George Pierce. This video is about affiliate marketing tools and sites. These are all free. These are my favorite marketing tools and sites. I will be sharing 38 amazing and free affiliate marketing tools and sites. These will help you as an affiliate marketer. These are some of the best tools on the internet. They'll help you to do the job. They'll help you to do it faster. They'll help you to do it better. They'll help you to do it easier. You will find links below. My intent is to save you time, save you trouble, save you money. If you're interested in finding out which free affiliate marketing tools and sites are my favorites, which ones that I sincerely believe are the best ones for you, I invite you to keep watching. Let's begin with web hosting. And my favorite web host is Webador. With Webador, you get almost unlimited hosting. You get it for free. It stays free. And the main thing that I want to share with you is the Webador Site Builder. And it is one of the easiest, most user-friendly, which is a plus for both newbies and experienced marketers. The Webador Site Builder, in my opinion, is on a par with the Wix Site Builder. And Wix Site Builder is considered by many or most to be one of the best on the internet, one of the most user-friendly. Webador is nipping at their heels. And it comes with unlimited storage, unlimited traffic, unlimited data, unlimited pages, and it's free and stays free. Now, let's say you want a WordPress site. For a free WordPress site, of course you've got WordPress.org. Actually, my favorite free WordPress site is AltaVista. With AltaVista, you're going to get a full-blown WordPress website, top-of-the-line WordPress website. This is going to compare very favorably with any paid WordPress site that you might want to compare it with. I've been with AltaVista for years. They are excellent. Now, if you're not familiar with WordPress sites, the benefit of WordPress is that they have a plugin for just about anything that you might want, any kind of an option, anything that you might want to do to your site. There's typically going to be an option, and usually a ton of options that you can choose from that will allow you to do it. For example, let's say you want a membership site. WordPress has a bunch of membership plugin options. If you want an e-commerce site, you will find options for that. And when it comes to these kind of plugins, you simply go to plugins, search for the kind of plugin that you want. When you find the one you want, click on it, click install, click activate, and you're done. It's that easy. When it comes to websites, blogs, and so forth, I'm a big fan of images and videos. I mean, a huge fan of images and videos. My opinion is images and videos are going to help you to better tell your story, as well as to help keep your visitors' attention, to help you to keep them on your page. For free images, my favorite sites are Pixabay and Pexels. And I'm suggesting two sites because between the two of them, when you're looking for an image or a video, you can usually find exactly what you're looking for. On either site, both are free and no attribution is needed. Pixabay also has free music and sound effects. For a free photo editor, and you're going to need a photo editor for things like thumbnails, Facebook covers, banners, posters, headers, channel art, YouTube channel art, and so on. I believe that you'll find that Canva is the best. Canva is going to help you with any and all of these images, just about any possible image that you might want to create. You can go to Canva and you will find exactly what you're looking for. If you like this video so far, and I certainly hope you do, if you're finding value in this video, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up if you would. Hit that like button, turn that like button black. Do that right now. Thank you so much. Now, for your incentives, if you're an affiliate marketer, any kind of an internet marketer, digital marketer, and so on, you're wanting to build a list. In order to build that list, you're going to need incentives. You're going to need some kind of a giveaway in order to be able to capture that email address. And for your incentives, for free incentives, my favorite is PLR database. What you're going to find at PLR database is over 1,500 free ebooks that you can use for incentives. Most of these ebooks also are going to include sales pages, opt-in pages. Some even include ebook covers, emails, and more. So if you need incentives for list building, my favorite site is PLR Database. And when you're using free incentives, specifically free digital incentives, you're going to need storage. For free storage, I suggest Infinity Free. This is actually a free website, free web hosting, which provides you with control panel, file manager, and so on. So in other words, plenty of free storage. I also recommend SaberCat and Deposit Files. And the reason why I recommend these for storage is because these sites have no time limit. Most storage sites seem to have a 30-day time limit. Well, that's not going to do us much good. These have no time limit. If you need free articles, free PLR articles, I suggest free PLR article directory. And you're going to find free articles that you can use as your own for almost every niche. Remember, just a reminder to spin those articles. Make sure that you change those articles up so you don't have duplicate content. And if you need a free article spinner, my favorite is Pre-Post SEO Article Rewriter. It is free. It stays free. It's super easy to use, and to the best of my knowledge, there is no limit on the size of your article. And if you're building a list, you're going to need an autoresponder. My number one choice is Systeme. The reason is that it includes a free autoresponder that stays free up to 2,000 subscribers. Systeme is actually a marketing platform, so it also includes website, blogs, funnels, and much more. So if you need an autoresponder or a complete marketing platform, to the best of my knowledge, Systeme is going to be your best free resource. For a paid autoresponder, AIOP is the best value on the net. It's an unlimited autoresponder. You'll also get everything else you need, including a full-blown cPanel website, web hosting, pre-written campaigns, training, and more for $11.50 a month. And I've been with AIOP for years. As an affiliate, you're going to need an affiliate network. And my top choice is Clickbank. And I also like, however, I also like Pay.com. Both of these are free to join, and both of these focus primarily on digital products, and the advantage there is that you're usually looking at 50 to 75% commissions, if not even more. For affiliate networks with tangible products, I suggest Rakuten, ShareASale, and CJ by Conversant. And again, I've been with them for many years. I was with CJ when they were Commission Junction. That's how far back I go. Another reason why I recommend that you check these guys out is because you're typically going to find higher commissions than you would with affiliates such as Amazon, for example. And every affiliate marketer, whether you're a new affiliate marketer, an aspiring affiliate marketer, or an experienced affiliate marketer, you're going to need marketing research tools. Even in evergreen niches, you're often going to need to stay on top of whatever is trending. So an excellent free tool, and I mean probably the very best free tool when it comes to trends, is Google Trends. My favorite tool for researching Google traffic is Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest has a free Chrome extension which I use, and it's super convenient. And my favorite free tool for researching YouTube is TubeBuddy, also a free Chrome extension. I almost always use Ubersuggest and TubeBuddy together. Just about everything I do is going to involve Google and YouTube. These two tools can tell me, it can also tell you whether your new prospective affiliate product is going to make money or not. It's going to be able to tell you, pretty much guarantee your success or alert you to failure before you ever start an affiliate marketing campaign. Now, as I mentioned, just about everything I do, YouTube's going to be involved in some way or another, and the reason is that YouTube is going to drive traffic. So for video marketing, and I've tried most of the video sites, to the best of my knowledge, the number one choice is YouTube. YouTube does get about 122 million visitors per day. So with the right SEO, you can drive a ton of traffic. And if you're going to use YouTube to promote your affiliate products, as you should, Here are some more free tools that will help you. For free screen capture, my favorite is Screencast-O-Matic. I used Screencast-O-Matic for about 2 years and never had a problem. The free version does come with a small watermark. For a free video editor, for a free online video editor, my favorite site is InVideo. With InVideo, you're going to get an amazing editor. You're also going to find some amazing software that will create videos from text. Again, this is all for free. With InVideo, you will also have a small watermark on the free version. For a free video editor with no watermark, none at all, even though it's free, no watermark, my number one choice is Shotcut. Even though Shotcut is free, do not underrate this software. This is downloadable. It will do the job. It will do it well and a whole lot more. Shotcut's easy to use, and it also comes with a ton of training tutorials. And again, there's no watermark. As an affiliate marketer or an aspiring affiliate marketer, you're going to need training. And if you're looking for free training, quality training, training that's actually going to be a benefit to you, a real benefit to you. Training is actually going to be straightforward, the kind of training that's going to do you good. Allow me to recommend my channel. I also want to recommend 2 other sites that also are going to provide you with some of the best training on the internet. One of those sites is Affiliarama, and the other site is Wealthy Affiliate. If you're going to succeed at affiliate marketing, you're going to need training. You're going to need all the training you can get, and with these sites you can count on the training that you're getting. It's good quality training that's not going to lead you astray. As an affiliate marketer, you're also going to need tracking, and for the best tracking, for the best free tracking, I suggest Cutly. Cutly is a free link shortener, but what it's going to do is it's going to put you in control of your links. And you're going to be able to see for free what your links are doing, whether they're working, whether they're not working, and a whole lot more, again, at no cost. And of course, the lifeblood for every affiliate marketer is traffic. For free traffic from social media sites, consider Buffer and consider Social Oomph. Both of these sites have a free version, and what that free version is going to do is allow you to schedule posts to social media sites, which will help you to drive traffic. Another free traffic method that I use almost on a daily basis, I am using it right now, is Easy Hits for You. What I'll do is I'll run a web page in the background. What Easy Hits for You is a one-to-one traffic exchange of all the ones that I've used. It's the one that works best for me. It's the one that I really get results from, virtually immediate results. Now, if you're using paid ads to generate traffic, I suggest that you try Ad Comparator. And what this is, it is free, and it's based on the Taguchi-based ad optimizer. It's a free tool that will provide multivariable ad testing. Of course, what that's going to do is it's going to help you to scientifically maximize your conversion rates to make the most money that you can make. Now, there's also another way to get traffic. Some sites will give you free traffic just for joining. And in my opinion, the number one site for that is World Profit, because World Profit is going to give you 50,000 free visitors along with 30,000 solo ads per month for free, simply for joining. So that's all you got to do in order to take advantage of this free traffic. Simply join World Profit for free. And let's talk about tools, free tools that are going to help you with content. HubSpot has a free blog idea creator, and all you need to do is enter the topic or the subject, and it will provide you with 5 free ideas. This is one site that you might want to file away in the back of your memory, because just about every affiliate marketer is going to run into some kind of writer's block, so to speak. HubSpot free blog idea generator is going to help you to get past that. Another free tool that I love, and I believe you're going to love it as well, is Headline Analyzer. Now, you and I both know that headlines and titles are super important, and speaking for myself, I am not a copywriting expert. So how in the world do we come up with these awesome headlines and awesome titles, we can do it with Headline Analyzer. You'll be amazed. I mean, it's going to actually help you to create a killer headline, to do it very quickly, to do it scientifically, and to do it for free. Another absolute favorite of mine is Grammarly. This is a free tool. I use the Chrome extension. Grammarly is kind of like having an English teacher looking over your shoulder. So as I work, Grammarly is kind of looking over my shoulder, and what it's going to do is it's going to point out errors. Automatically, it's going to point out errors, and it's going to provide fixes for errors in spelling, for errors in grammar, and for errors in punctuation. What this is going to simply do, if you're like me, is it's going to help you to be able to create for content that's more professional. When it comes to content, especially for like gathering content, collecting content, one of the absolute best tools that I believe are going to be able to help you is Evernote Web Clipper. You can use Evernote Web Clipper to clip web pages, to clip articles, PDFs, and to save them. You can save them in Evernote. Evernote Web Clipper will also take a screen capture of a full page or just parts of a page without distracting ads and sidebars. Believe it or not, I use 37 out of these 38 tools and sites. I use them on a regular basis. The only one that as I mentioned before, that I do not use anymore is Screencast-O-Matic. And again, the only reason why I don't use it anymore is because my video editor includes screen capture. I love each and every one of them. I believe you will too. You will find all of them below, along with links in the description. And if you're using any of these tools, do me a favor and do my viewers a favor, if you would. Let us know what tool you're using and what you think of it. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you like this content and haven't given it a big thumbs up yet, please do that right now. Thank you again. And allow me to invite you to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so that I can let you know whenever I upload a new video. Allow me to wish you much success. I am rooting for you. I'll see you in the next video.